a Valentine's Day look. This is the eye look that I came up with. I'm using the Violet Voss palette today, the Holy Grail palette. And I wanted to do, you know, something that was still Valentine's Day-esque, but not like just pink. So I hit more of the red colors, kind of burgundy colors. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep watching. So we're going to get right started. I'm using my Violet Voss palette, and this is the color Bestie. It's a brown transition shade that I'm going to be putting on both of my lids. And we're just going to blend away because, you know, blending is key. For the next shade, I'm going to be using Hashtag, which is a kind of orangey color, also in the crease, to just help create that gradient kind of transitional shade as well. Now we're going to be using the color Glamping, which is like a cranberry sparkly glitter shade, and that's going to go over the lid, all over the lid. So you can see that, like, I'm trying to make sure that I get it spread out pretty much all over the lid. Now I'm not taking it to the edges because, we're going to see, I'm going to be using some darker matte colors on the outer edges, but it's going to go over the whole rest of the lid. And I'm just going to brush away some of the fallout that falls down on my nose. Now I'm just going to go back with some of those transition shades and blend them out some more. Now we're going in on the edges with those matte colors that I was talking about. So this is Wine and Dine first, which is like a really bright cranberry color. And then I'm going to go back in with a darker kind of brown called Teddy Bear out of the Violet Voss palette. And this is the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette, just in case you're wondering. So once again, I'm just blending out the transition, making sure everything is nice and blended before I move on to my next color. So my next color is going to be the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow, and this is in the color Sequin. It is a very, very glittery color, and I just put that right there on the, like, the first third of the eye, so from the inner corner coming in. I just wanted to kind of have like an ombre gradient effect going on. And sorry for getting up, but I had realized I left the color over in my other drawer, so I had to go pick it up. And I know I keep looking to the side, but that's because I'm watching Dear White People on Netflix. I don't know if any of you guys have watched that show, but it's actually pretty good. I like it. So now I'm just putting my liquid liner on. This is from Bakerie. It's their Lollipop liner. I really like it. It's smudge free, so when you put it on and it dries, like, it's not going anywhere. It will be there. You need an actual oil makeup remover to get rid of it. So now I'm just going back in and I'm just kind of cleaning up, making sure, because I had to clean up my eyeliner, and making sure that the edges are kind of softened with some more of the eyeshadow. And now I'm going to do the rest of my face since my eyes are done. I'm going to do some bronzer. This is the Tarte, what is this? The Tarte Park Avenue bronzer. So it's in the Princess Cut, shades Princess Cut and Angle. I just mixed them both together. One is kind of warm, one is kind of cool. So they kind of, once I mix them together, they create a really nice bronze shade on me. And then I'm just going to put some powder on all over my face. Put a little bit of eyeshadow under the eye, just using what's left on the brush already, not adding anything new. You know, we gotta check ourselves out, of course. So trying to figure out, okay, what to do next, what am I missing, because of course I always forget something. And that is highlighter we're putting on right now. And this is, of course, Laura Geller in Gilded Honey. This used to be a cult favorite. I don't really hear people talking about it too much, but it's probably because it's so many new products keep coming out. But since highlighters are my favorite, I like to go back and forth between the ones that I have. Moving on to the lips, I am using this Huda Beauty lip liner in the color Trendsetter. It's a nice nude color to line my lips. And then I'm moving to my lipstick, which is this nice peachy nude from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So that is the finished tutorial, guys. I'm so glad, you know, that you stuck with me. Of course, we had some, you know, little issues here and there trying to get this look up. All of the things that I use will be in the description box, so if you're wondering, you know, like what colors I use and all that, it'll all be in the description box down below, so you can check that out. But thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.
I was a liar, I gave into the fire. I know I should have fought it, at least I'm being honest.